Hey guys, welcome back to the News Motorbike. Today we've got big news from Kawasaki. A true blast from the past is making a comeback. That's right, the Kawasaki Kle 500 is set to return in 2026, and this time it's built to fit perfectly into the A2 license class. Now, if you've been around motorcycles long enough, the Kle name will ring a bell. Back in the 1990s and early 2000s, the Kle 500 was one of Kawasaki's most versatile mid-range enduros. Light, reliable, and good for just about anything. It ran from 1991 to 2007, earning a loyal fan base before quietly leaving the lineup. But as trends go, what's old is new again, and mid-capacity adventure bikes are hotter than ever. Kawasaki clearly knows the timing is right for a revival. At EICMA 2024, Kawasaki teased us with a mysterious box showing a 21-inch front wheel sticking out. Fast forward to September 2025, and we finally got confirmation. A teaser video dropped with the words, "Coming soon." That can only mean one thing: the Kle 500 is ready to ride again. So what's under the hood? The new Kle is expected to use Kawasaki's proven parallel twin engine, the same 451 cubic centimeters twin powering their latest 500 cubic centimeters models. We're looking at 45 horsepower, 43 newton meters of torque, and a smooth power delivery perfect for the A2 category. It's not about chasing superbike numbers. It's about balance, versatility, and reliability. And the hardware looks promising. A 21-inch front wheel paired with an 18-inch rear, long travel upside-down forks, and proper enduro geometry make it clear that Kawasaki wants this bike to handle dirt as well as tarmac. Weight should stay under 200 kilos. In fact, closer to 180 ready to ride, which is a serious plus for off-road maneuverability. Nothing official yet, but judging from Kawasaki's current 500 lineup, we can expect somewhere around €7,000. That positions it as a competitive entry in the mid-size adventure and enduro segment, right up against rivals like Honda's NX500 or Suzuki's V-Strom 650's little siblings. Stay tuned for its full reveal, likely at EICMA 2025.